Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm participating in the seasonal Mommy's DIY and Decor challenge. In this case is for fall, and the host is Mommy's DIY, which is Christina. I'm going to leave as usual the link to her channel in the description box. Please visit her channel. She's one of the best. Besides, she's adorable. She's one of the sweetest person you could ever find. But she's so creative, so creative. And I will also leave, as usual, the link to the playlist with all the videos entered in this challenge. Okay. I hope you already know that my daughter and I are dumpster divers. So almost everything I use in my videos are from items from the dumpster. By the way, I'm also going to leave the link to our channel Dumpster Chicks in the description box. So, for this channel, I'm using one drawer like this one. We found in the dumpsters a cart, wheeled cart, that is intended for the Cricut and the Cricut Easy Press, or Press Easy, and we found two, one in black, one in white. I'm partial to white all the time, so I kept the white one, but it was not complete. So I used some of the black drawers from the black one and one side of the cart, and I made the white one. But I ended up having a couple of drawers left, and I'm going to use them. In this case, I used one like that, and let me show you. First, I dry brush it in white. I hope you know how to do dry brushing. If not, there are plenty of videos, and in my past videos I show how to do it. And I love buffalo check, black and white especially, so I decided to add this ribbon all around the drawer. I adhere it with these runners that are double-sided. It was not easy, as you can see. There are some defects because the unions, I don't know how to say it, the corners, sorry, me and my English, are not straight. So this is going to be the front. It's not that bad. It's not going to be seen much because this is going to be on a coffee table. So I added this runner all around, and now I'm going to finish this with hot glue. I had to make this folding here. I'm going to glue it with hot glue. Like so. Oops, I forgot my fingers protector. And I am going to add hot glue here to finish this. Let me protect my fingers. I still have the scar of the other day when if you follow me, you saw me burning my fingers with the glue gun. So I forgot to put some here. Okay. This is going to be the back side. Sorry, I'm out of camera, but this is so big. So well, let's place the front to the front. This ribbon is not from the dumpster. I bought it at Michael's on sale, 19% off after Christmas. So this is something that's not from the dumpster. I'm going to use this piece of burlap that was a leftover from my daughter's wedding. I think this was the runner for the aisle. I don't remember. There were burlap all around the venue. And now I'm going to add another item that I found in the dumpster. We found. It's a mother-daughter thing. We found this cute dog, and he has 2 legs missing, but we don't mind. We're not going to get rid of him just because he doesn't have 2 legs. I need my scissors. Please wait a second. Here they are. I'm going to remove the tab. It was $19.99. So to give him a chance to be featured in this arrangement, I'm going to place this pumpkin here for him to be standing. Let me see if I can move the camera a little bit up, like so, maybe from here, I don't know if it helps. Okay, I'll try to keep everything in frame. Well, now I'm going to do like a pumpkin patch. This is a pumpkin I made last year with some ribbon like the one I used for the border. This is one of those orange foam pumpkins from Dollar Tree, and the stem I don't remember. So I'm going to place this here, and let me see. I'm going to use this one here. Oh, I forgot one element. I have this sign from Dollar Tree, and I wanted the first row of pumpkins to be kind of 3D. So I printed it on photo paper, on glossy photo paper, but I made a mistake with the length, as you can see. Anyways, and my printer ran out of ink at the worst possible moment. So I'm going to place it right now, but as soon as the cartridge arrives, they are en route, in transit, I will remove it and do it again as it has to be. So I'm going to use the runner. Let me see. And I also added these rectangular foam pieces. They are from Dollar Tree also, so they are great for this, if you can remove the paper. Okay, bear with me. Like this one. Oh my god. Usually it's easier, but of course, as I always say, when you're doing things on camera, they don't go as smoothly as they go when you are working out of camera. So, okay, here we go. So I'm going to place this here. And voila. And I want to use this sign as the background for this arrangement. So I have to move this a little bit to the front like that. Okay, now we can go on. I'm thinking of this here. I like this one. I want to use these flowers for it not to be just pumpkins, and I'm going to add this little thing here, bit of orange. I always use these cotton balls. I love them, I really do. going to put this here. I think I need another pumpkin. Let me look for one. Please bear with me. Be right back. I have a bag here with pumpkins I made. Let me see. This is one I made in one of my latest videos, so I think it looks good here. Let me move the dog. So here I have something else. Maybe this here. And I think a white one will look better. Yeah, I like it. I prefer it. I'm not going to add anything here, nor here. Well, here maybe. I may add this here, just because I have, you know, already if you follow me, I have a problem with negative spaces. So, yeah. I feel much better now. But here, I took this sign from Dollar Tree and I covered the border that looks like wood. I printed out these buffalo check strips of paper and I adhered those strips all around. And it was not supposed to be gray. But as I told you, my printer ran out of ink. So I want to place this here. Then I will show you how it looks from the front. And it's going to be gray. I'm sorry. So I'm going to add just 2 or 3 dots of hot glue, because I know that someday I will want to change it and remove it. So I'm going to just glue it a little bit. And that would be it. This is what I did for fall for my coffee table. And now I'm going to show you how it looks from the front. And I hope you like this video. If so, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done it already. And also please ring the bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much to Christina for hosting this seasonal challenge. Please visit her channel, visit the playlist, watch the videos, and if you can, you will make me very happy if you visit our dumpster diving channel. Hope to see you in my next video, and have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye-bye.